Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all you need is baby shampoo and water mixed together in a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto your lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. Once you've finished prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. Just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Since the taillight for the new Hyundai Santa Fe is not too curved, you could start already by applying tack solution onto the lens. That way, as we are aligning the film, the tack solution helps us with the adhesive to activate faster, and we just align it and start tagging it down. So just like this. Make sure it's aligned up to the edge here, follows here, and everything goes here. It shouldn't be overlapping, and you should have enough material to cover more down as well. So if you need to adjust it, you can, and it's going to look like this. So once you finish aligning it, spray tack solution on top of the film, grab your squeegee, and start tagging it down. Make sure to start removing any water bubbles that's underneath the film, and then just work your way from one end until you reach to the other end. So once you finish with this section of the taillight, now we can move on with the next piece. So with this one, same steps as we did it with the previous one. Just apply slip solution to both the lens and the adhesive side of the film, and apply tack solution to the taillight. And with this one, in order to align it, make sure you have the curved design of the edge on this end right here, because on the other end it's more of a straight line. So the curved section goes here, the straight edge goes here. So make sure you align it on this end first. Everything should fall into place. Should be good. And then just apply tack solution onto the film. And same steps, grab your squeegee, start tacking the film down, and make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. Okay, so before we finish with the installation, just clean the water off the tint. That way you're able to see if there's any water bubbles left over. If there is bubbles left over, just make sure to remove them. That way they don't stay sealed within the film, because once you apply heat to seal edges, it would be very difficult to remove any bubbles that are underneath the film. So always double check your work. Make sure there's no water bubbles underneath. And if you see that everything's good, then you can move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire film. Okay, so the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is to post-heat the entire film. So all you need is to apply tack solution onto the lens. Once you apply tack solution, we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire taillight. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And while we're applying heat, we can use our microfiber towel just to help remove the tack solution and also remove any solution that's around the edges. Take your time doing this step. You can use the low or the high setting for this part. Just keep in mind, if you do use the high setting, to keep it at a distance, that way you don't accidentally burn the film. So make sure to apply evenly, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.